Sodelic brings the flexibility of Excel without the chaos. Managing project data in Excel can quickly spiral out of control. Everyone wants to add their own columns, creating confusion and errors. With Sodelic, you can solve this problem by customizing columns in the custom lists, ensuring flexibility while keeping things organized. Use data-specific formats like dates to keep entries consistent. Add drop-down options to standardize statuses and prevent errors. Or use numerical columns for precise tracking of metrics, like estimated hours. Once published, these custom columns give your team the flexibility they need while preventing arbitrary additions and wrong data formats. With Sodelic, you get the best of both worlds. Excel-like customization with built-in safeguards to keep your projects on track.